What's up, Drift Geeks? Welcome back to another video. We have not seen the Z in a while, and that is because we have been working on a special project, months in the making, just for you guys. I'm super excited to show you this new product we've been working with. It's with STILLEN. We've been keeping it hush hush. We've been going back and forth for months. They've had the Z this whole time. It's gonna be a whole other episode where we dive into the process of making a product like this, but I'm just super pumped to show you guys the first ever single exit STILLEN 370Z exhaust. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. So we're still working on the final product version, but that's where we want you guys' input. We want your comments, your concerns, your questions, whatever it is to help this product come better for you guys, because you guys are gonna be the ones buying it. So in the comments below, I want you guys to let me know if you guys are okay with creating an oval exhaust to the 3-inch. It's still gonna be a 3-inch oval. And of course we want the 3-inch for better sound, better flow, but it's still gonna be stainless. It's not gonna be titanium where it's gonna be cracking like crazy, denting super fast. This thing can take a beating. I can personally see it already from being so low and just being a 3-inch circular. But I do believe that the oval will be a perfect application for these cars, especially since we drive them so low, where we'll get the better clearance without really compromising the sound. All right guys, so now I want to introduce to you the mad scientist behind this single exit exhaust and the constant emails, texts, phone calls back and forth to get it together is Austin.
What's going on, guys? I'm Austin Funk. I do the sales and marketing over here at STILLEN. I've been working with Kennedy for probably close to about a year now. We've been going back and forth and kind of had some ideas about this project, and we've got a couple more things coming down the pipe that we're not quite ready to talk about yet, but we are excited to kind of reveal the first articles or the first version of our single exit exhaust. So why don't you give them a look and show them how it looks.
Again, I cannot even put it into words just how cool this looks. I never thought I'd be a single exit person on the 370Z, but this just looks amazing from far, you guys. Hopefully you guys can capture just how cool that looks. But cool fun fact also is that Austin is not a single exit person.
I'm not, I'll be honest with you. I think the dual with the cutouts looks a lot better, but as you guys will hear really soon, I love it. I love it.
It converted him. It converted him and Kyle.
Absolutely.
So
we hate that we love it, but we absolutely love it.
So let's hear a cold start on this thing. All right guys, so I'm gonna record myself. My first ever reaction hearing this cold start single exit. I'm pumped. Send it. Oh wow. That's nice. That's nice. Look at that. Wow, I hope the mic can really pick this up. This thing sounds insane. Oh, that rasp. Do it again. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds really good. It still has that VQ tone to it, but the rasp at the top, you're so right on that. That is nice. Give it to me one more time. Oh yeah. I can't wait to hear that at the track redlining. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds really good.
I'm pretty happy with it.
You guys did a good job with that.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we're also working on another look for the Z. Hint, hint, the front end's gonna look a little bit different. So we just test drove it. I had to raise the suspension on the rear coilovers a little bit higher just to get it off the ground. See if I can show you guys a little bit just how low this exhaust is. That thing is almost touching. I think if I go up another ½ inch under load, it should be enough, but it sounds so good. Driving down the street. Yeah, and then check this out. Check this out. That thing is aggressive. And one of my favorite things about it, since we are running the STILLEN Gen 3 intakes, there's like a little slot right here, specifically to allow the intakes to breathe some more.
Yeah,
So,
you might be too low for these.
This thing is awesome. What are we testing on right now?
See how the side skirt would fill with your fitment right now.
I think the front little things are gonna get in the way.
I think you're already on the ground pretty much.
Yeah.
I don't know how much room you have to run that.
Oh, I have room. I got room.
I mean,
I'm gonna go a little bit higher.
just really quick.
Let's see if it fits. It's this front thing that's gonna get in the way.
Yeah, I just wanted to kind of
This
mop
right
it up
here.
for a second here, right? So
Yeah.
it's sitting there like that. I mean, you're not gonna be too far off the ground.
Yeah.
I think it'll work.
Are you sure those are Z ones? Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it's gonna fit the door right here.
Yeah.
I'm just not sliding it all the way on right now. But yeah, you're basically gonna take out the old studs. There's 3M, and there's a couple spots to drill on the bottom.
Cool.
I don't want to scrape up your paint right now, though.
Nah, don't even worry about it.
All right, well, I'll let you know when these are done.
That's gonna look sick. And that you guys make, thank you. You guys make 2 different kinds of that?
I think it's just the one for the 370.
For the 370? Is that the hard polyurethane or the soft?
Soft.
Perfect.
So you can,
So show me a little bit of that flex.
you can take it and you can.
So when you dirt drop at the track at AVS, look at that.
Twist it all the way around and it goes right
That's
back to
awesome.
how she was. I mean, I could fold it in half. I'm not going to put a big dent in it right now.
That's still pretty sick though.
I don't want to.
That's all good though. At the track, that's mainly what you're doing, is you're just bending all that in.
I don't want to put a huge crease in something, man.
That thing's sick.
She'll take the heat.
That's pretty cool, guys. That's pretty dope. So yeah, she's looking a little different, sounding a little meaner, and she needs a little help on the undercarriage for the next track day. But if you guys want to follow along as we get her ready, you guys want to follow along with our new journey with STILLEN, and excited to show you guys off some new products that we're working on. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you like, and try to share some of these videos so we can get more Drift Geek stuff out there. We can start our events and you guys can hang out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video that I haven't done in a while. Got some ideas, I need your help. Thank you.